Hey guys, so there are so many customers want to know how to set up a custom domain on their PageMaker link. So this is a tutorial which will help you to do it easily. To add your custom domain name, you just need to click on the add new button, and after that copy your domain URL, paste it in the domain section and click on the continue button. After click on the continue button, you will get a record point. Just copy it. Now go to your DNS setting at here. Scroll down, add a record. At the host, you need to add at the rate in the answer, or in the a record point, you need to add our a record point and click on add record. After click on add record, your record will be submitted like this. Now go to the PageMaker admin panel and click on the verify domain. Just like this, your domain is verified. Now, if you want to assign this domain to the specific page, you need to go to the landing page or in the Amazon page, select the page at here. At that, select the domain section. Find your that domain from here and click on the update. Click on the view live site. As you can see, my custom domain is set. And don't worry about your older URL. Your customer will be redirect to your custom domain also. So now let me show you how you can add www before your domain and how you can add subdomain also. For the subdomain, you just need to add a domain name, subdomain name at here, and your domain URL. Like let's copy it, paste it at here, copy it. In the host, you need to write the subdomain name. For the www, you just need to select the CNAME at here, write www, write your domain and add a record. Okay. So now your subdomain is also submitted and www also submitted. Let's check the subdomain first. Let's So as you can see, the subdomain is also verifying. Now you can use it on your another pages where you want to use it. You just need to select the page name at here, scroll down, select the domain. You can see it at here. Okay. And your CNAME record is also set. So now whenever I'm going to add www dot harsh dot party, customer will redirect to my main page like this. Okay, so this is how you can set up a custom domain, subdomain, and add a CNAME record and add www before your custom domain. Okay, so if you need any kind of help, let me know. Bye bye.